Are you looking to buy a drone? In this video, I'm going to talk about all of the advantages and disadvantages of the DJI Mini 2. It took me quite a while till I decided to purchase this drone, but once I did, boy do I love it. So let's dive into it. What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I review products that I actually use. This is going to be an update video from the last drone video on which I was sent the Protensic Mini drone, and I'll link that video here if you haven't watched that one, but if you have, know that the critiques on that were all fixed by this. So I took the plunge. I'm also going to be giving away this drone. So this is the one that I was sent by Protensic. I used it. This drone. So this is the one that I was sent by Protensic. I used it. I like it, but you know what? I'm going to give it away. So to enter in to get the drone, make sure you're subscribed, you like, you share, and you comment in the video, and I will pick at random someone to send this drone. And then if you're picked at random, I will reach out to you to get your address and ship you this drone. So I bought this DJI Mini 2 at Best Buy, but I will link in the description below where you can purchase it on Amazon. It comes with this box. Everything in this box is in this case. So as you know, I test everything, so all the boxes are in there. I put everything in the case. This has been with me on trips to Maryland, to New York, and I will post video of the actual drone flying over that you can see the quality of the drone. But basically in the pack, you're going to get this nice carrying pouch, instructions. This is the controller, 3 batteries, the drone itself, charging port, extra propellers, and also extra thumb screws. A screwdriver to take the props off, and the cord that goes to this, which is somewhere, but I just don't have it. Nope, those are different ones. So this will work with iPhone or Android, whichever one you want to use. But it does give you the adapter cords for either one. So as far as how everything works, so the controller, everything plugs in with USB-C to charge. So you plug the USB-C in here, it charges the controller. I honestly don't know how long this thing lasts because I've flown it a bunch of times and have never recharged this one yet. 3 batteries are good for 30 minutes each. So an hour and a half flying time, obviously landing to replace the battery. Same thing, USB-C, and it will charge by the lowest battery first. So it charges one, then the next, then the third. So if you have 3 dead batteries, it takes quite a while to charge all 3 because they do them one at a time. And you can also plug in the USB port here and plug to a C to charge the controller same way. Now as for the controller, you pull this up. This is where your phone is going to sit. It will hold, I have an iPhone XR, and I use that when I'm flying. The thumb screws that go in your control points are located on the bottom of the unit. So you pull these out, screw these in. These are super tiny, which is why I'm glad they sent extras. I haven't lost one yet, but they have fallen out. As I was taking them out, I lost them and fell in the gravel, so it took me a moment to find her grass. But I'm glad they come with extras. So there's 3 different modes. There's normal, cinematic, and sport. I usually keep it on the normal and never has any problems. There's a button to record video and pictures, but honestly I do it right through the app. So if I want to take a picture, I just hit the app that it comes with and go that way. The camera tilt is controlled by this, so up, down. You can go all the way up and shoot straight down, or you can shoot straight ahead as you're flying. It also has a button to take pictures, and yeah, really cool. Range on this is stated at 5 kilometers. I have pushed it to that, but I've never tried anything farther than that. It does have a automatic return home, so if you lose a signal or a battery gets low, it will go up to a certain height, which you set in the app, and then return to the point where it launched. The drone itself comes really compact. It has a gimbal protector so the camera doesn't get jarred around as you're moving it. and then a strap to hold all your propellers down. Really simple to put out. I was kind of worried when I bought it because I look at the plastic and it freaks me out. Has a memory card slot in the back to be able to put a memory card for recording, but it also does record on your phone. You can also charge the battery through the USB-C, but I usually use this anyway. Battery opens up there. I'm not going to take this off. If you take it off, the camera just wiggles, but it allows it to roam freely. It does sit at kind of an angle when it's launching, so sometimes you do have some grass that can get up here. The things I bought with it that help with that is I bought a landing mat. I'll post the picture here and a link below, but that helps to, no matter what surface you're on, if it's grass or pavement, rocks, things like that, it protects the underbelly of it. Now let's talk about the 3 things I like, and let's talk about the 3 things I dislike. The 3 things I like: it has phenomenal photography. It has phenomenal video. I will, like I said, I'm going to be overlaying the video as we go over the drone, but the quality and the clarity of the video is second to none. I also like the fact that this thing has stability like you would not believe. I was always afraid with the other drones where if you put it up in the windy conditions that it just blows all over the place, afraid of losing it. Never had an issue with this. I've actually seen videos on YouTube where they use a leaf blower to blow it around, but this thing has gone up in very windy weather and had no issues at all. Again, I don't put it up if it's severely windy because I'm like, it's not worth losing it. But I did opt for, so DJI has a program that when you buy the drone, I believe it's $50. It's like an insurance. It covers flyaways, damage, things like that, water damage if it would drop. I highly recommend that. So the total cost, it was $4.99 I think for the drone, an extra $50 for the registration of the DJI insurance. So $5.49. To me, it's well worth it. If you have any reason to use a drone or just want to get cool videos, cool shots of your roof or properties, or even if you do like we do and go out camping and do those types of videos, I highly recommend it. I was leery at the price point, but once I got it, I don't regret it at all. So let me know about your experiences. What do you think about this one? Would you get the Pro? Would you not? 3 things I dislike. I dislike how the batteries charge. I would like something that charges all 3 batteries at the same time, but then again, I have never flown more than 1 battery. Usually 30 minutes, and I'm kind of bored with it, or I've gotten all the shots that I want. Second, it'd be nice if the thumb screws would fold down in or pop up or something so you didn't have to worry about losing them. Number 3, sometimes I don't like how the placement of the phone is. If you don't hit it correctly, it'll hold down one of your buttons and you could get an emergency send signal or something like that. So you just have to watch when you put this in, but it will hold a decent sized phone. Even a mini tablet. No, just large phone. And then your plugs in here. Again, it comes with all the plugs for Android or iPhone, and it even comes with a USB-C to USB-C for future if Apple or Android decides to go to a different charging style. But that's pretty much it for this. Again, highly recommend it. The downsides aren't that downside, but it is definitely more of a value if you want to buy it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about your drone, or if you're looking to get a drone. That's going to do it for this time. And until next time, have a great day.